Okay guys, so we're gonna start removing the nut right there between both lines. So it's gonna be 13. So we're just gonna slide that. I got a swivel, a long 13 and 2 extensions. Right there. Remember, you know, you have to do you have to extract the all the AC freon first, and then go ahead and start, you know, if not, it's gonna blow all the way around and you're gonna do a miss right there. Okay, so I'm gonna hold my camera right there. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, see, still hot. You can hear still got some pressure in there. It don't show any gauge, but it still got some little pressure on it. So that thing is loose now. So I'm gonna get this thing out of the way. Now I'm gonna loose it back hand. Alright, got that right there. So now we just have to, you know, pull the lines up, and then it's already loose. Now we have to get under. We have to get under and get the plugs out of the way. But before you go down there, you just better loose the bolt on top of it. There is one bolt right there. Let me see if you can point that one. Barely can see with the camera. Yeah, but it's right there. That's one right there. So we have to lose this one first before go down there and remove that. And then there isn't, let me see. Oh, I can barely see that one. There's one right there. Yeah, that's the, you can barely see the other one right there. Okay, yeah, we have to remove that one first. That one right there. You know, we have to remove this one right here. So let me get that. Okay, so I'm gonna slide my 13 right there. Right on. I'm gonna try to see if I can get my ratchet right there. I don't have this thing right now, so I'm doing my best to record this thing. So, oh Jesus, it goes up. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, it's already loose, that one right there. Let me see if I can get the hands right there. Okay, it's already loose, that one right there. Okay, the other one is hiding right there. You can see right there. That's the other one. So on this one, we're gonna need a long extension. I mean, we're gonna need the 13, but it's gonna be the long one, which I'm gonna use this one right here, 13. Let me move this out of the way. And I'm gonna slide that. I believe I can get it from the bottom. Yeah, let me get on there so I can work better down there. If you see, the other one is right there. Let me see if we can put it. It's right there. You can see it right there. So I'm gonna slide my. Let me put the camera right here. Okay. Let's see, I can make it work this thing. Okay, so we got it right here. We're gonna plug this connector. Just push the top down and then pull it. Okay, just press this top right here, this one down, and then you pull it. So we got that loose already. Okay, so now we're going to lose the other bolt. We're going to do the tensioner belt now. So your tensioner belt, it's way down there. It's this one right here, and then it's going to be a 16. So let me see if I can. Okay, so it's going to be this one right here. So you just have to bring it down. I'm going to see if I can do it with one hand.